I got rows of tomatoes, 1, 2. This one got 2 tomatoes. I got broccoli. I got corn. I got it for the cost of the school because the lady over there donated it to me, so that's why I got it. And also I wanted to do that to feed the community because it's the one thing that helps me feed the community and it feeds people and nobody go hungry. I took my mama's beans out of the cabinet because we didn't have much to eat. All we had was rice and those bags of beans. It was like a very small bag of beans, not enough to feed everybody. So I had to make enough. All I knew was water, dirt, and sunshine. That's all I knew. I ain't know nothing else. Today I'm harvesting my herbs from my herb garden. So I got my scissors, got my strings so I can wrap them up in here. And then got my basket to put them in. So I'm gonna leave a few so it can grow more. To me, it's so that way nobody go home in the community and they get to grow what they want, so they learn how to grow stuff, and then I get to grow what I want, and if people don't know how to grow what they want to grow, then I can grow it and they can just pick what they want.